Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the hostel management system. There will be a three dashboard: student, warden, and the admin section. So let's enter with the admin section. It will open the dashboard. Here you can see the student registered, room occupied, and pending application. And this will be the complete hostel block section where you can appoint the warden as well, and you can enter the details, and you can create the warden account. So already two accounts are created of warden. You can create the new account as well with filling the details, or you can remove the warden as well. If you click on the remove, then it will remove the warden from that particular database. It will show the all students with the roll number, name, department, block, room, match card, and fees. This will be the notice board where you can attach the new notice. This will be the report section where you can complaint, outpass request, and hostel bill report. And pending report will be the one. Now this will be the all student report, my profile. You can change the password as well, or you can update your information. So let's log out and log in with different section. Like I'm login with the warden section. You have to first create the account of warden. I already have created the account, so I just click on the sign in. You have to create the account of warden from the admin section. Now it will open the dashboard section where it will show the room occupied, strengths, room request, match request, and this will be the room applications. There will be 0 allocated rooms, available rooms. You can add the new room as well. Match application, allocated match, match menu. It will show the complete menu according to the week wise. My students. You can add the student details according to the wardens, and it will show the report. If you click on confirm, then it will outpass approved. This will be the profile section of warden. Let's click on logout and log in with the student section. Let's go back. Now just enter with the student section. We have to enter the roll number and password of student. Then click on sign in. Now it will open the dashboard of student section of Arjun. Fees status, hostel fee paid, dashboard, rooms. It will show the menu, mass menu of Sunday to Saturday, mass timing and instructions, notices, notice board. It will show the details of notice board, complaints. You can add the complete here, outpass request. You have to enter the destination, and it will show the attendance, like attendance mark, my profile. You can you can update the details here. You can update the password as well of student section. Let's click on logout and log in with the different roll number, then password, and just click on the sign in. So it will open the dashboard of Priya hostel application. You can add the personal detail here, like email address. I haven't entered previously, so I'm just entering the email address. You can add the guardian detail, address details as well. I'm just entering the dummy details. Okay, fees status, fees not paid yet, so you have to pay the fees. Hostel applications, mass menu and other sections. So this will be the dashboard section. This will be the complete project, and we are developing projects in computer science domain in Python, machine learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Android app, web application. If you are searching under project ideas, then you can visit our website as well, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.